Wide leg pants can either look incredibly expensive or like you just rolled out of bed. Same pants, completely different energy. So today we're testing wide leg pants on a real body to see what actually makes them look expensive. Not on a runway, not on a model, although I would like to be one, on a real woman in real life with real outfits. We're testing 3 styles: tailored, denim, relaxed. And one of them surprised me. Because the mistake that most people make with wide leg pants, it's not the pants, it's the styling. Let's test the first pair. Okay, let's start here. These are wide leg cargo denim. Very cool pants, if I do say so myself. I love them. And this outfit right now, she's struggling. This is how most people style wide cargos. To an extent, right? Very relaxed, very safe. Dare I say, even boring. But it's okay. Flat sneaker, relaxed top, everything easy. And like I said, it's not wrong, but it's also not giving anything. It just looks like pants. When pants get this wide, they start running the whole outfit. So if everything else stays relaxed too, now the whole look collapses. And suddenly we're giving Saturday errands. Now watch this. Same pants, different attitude. Do you see what just happened? The outfit got shape. Your eyes start moving, and suddenly the volume looks intentional. When pants are this wide, you need vertical tension somewhere. Heels create that line. So instead of looking heavy, the whole outfit lifts. Like a facelift. That was a horrible comparison. But here we are. And yes, you can wear cargo with sneakers. We all have those days. But if you do, the rest of the outfit better wake up. But the next pair is where people accidentally make themselves look the C word, corporate. Okay, these are giving classic wide leg trousers. Very chic, very calm tone. And this is where women think, but something still feels off. Here's the trap. Most people think polished equals expensive. And while that may hold true, it's not the only golden rule here. The outfit gets stiff, and stiff is the fastest way to kill fashion. Now you look like you're about to go give a presentation, and that's not what we're looking for right now. Watch this. There. Now we're talking, and now it comes alive. Suddenly there's tension, structure, contrast, and the outfit finally has personality. What changed? 1, structure. 2, contrast. Masculine blazer, feminine top, and 3, confidence. Yes, confidence is a styling tool. Wide trousers look expensive when the top half looks intentional. Otherwise, they just look like office pants trying their best. But the last pair is the one that confuses people the most. You'll see why. These pants stress people out because most people ask the same thing. Are these loungewear? Are they fashion? Are we dressing them up? And the mistake that people make, they start trying too hard. When pants are already relaxed, you elevate them. Now look, same pants, different message. Suddenly the outfit feels intentional, clean, effortless. And that's the whole point. Matching sets automatically read expensive. Your eye sees one long line and the brain goes, oh, that was on purpose. See? So here's the real secret. Wide leg pants don't look expensive because of the pants. They look expensive because of the balance. Heels add structure, contrast adds interest, and clean lines make relaxed outfits look intentional. If you love fashion that actually works in real life, subscribe. Because here, we don't just follow trends, we edit them. And if you want me to personally help style your outfits, My one-on-one styling sessions are linked down below. But I want to know something. Heels or sneakers? Which look won for you?